These outfits, we all wore them. And let's be honest, they did define an era. They did. We'll give them their flowers. But some of them, they've aged. Like oat milk left on the counter. Not good. So today I'm going to be resurrecting 3 classics that defined our 2020 wardrobes. And I'll be showing you how to make them work for you again in 2025 and beyond. One thing I want you to bear in mind as we go through this video is 2025 style and beyond. I think it's not about chasing trends anymore. You can chase the trends if that's what you're into, and if that works for you, great. But I feel like style in 2025 and beyond, it's mostly about rewriting formulas that don't work anymore. I promise you this is going to make sense as we go through the video. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. First up, the satin skirt. Ma'am, step up to the podium. It's time to be judged for your crimes. Yeah. This outfit, the satin skirt and graphic t-shirt, this outfit had us all in a chokehold. We wore this outfit to brunch, to dates. We wore this to prove we were the minimalist girls who read at cafes. But to be honest, the only thing we looked like we were reading was the same Pinterest board. I'm sorry. In 2025, she definitely needs a rebrand, okay? So we're going to add a leather jacket to her. We're going to add some silver jewelry, some boots, and a red lip that says, "I've seen things you wouldn't survive." When we look at the outfit now, it's no longer giving brunching with the girls anymore. She's brooding, she's mysterious, she's seen things, and she definitely dresses like it. Same skirt, different era. If you had a Pinterest board in 2021, you definitely had this outfit. Floral dress, denim jacket, white sneakers. Sounds familiar? This outfit is sweet, reliable, but also deeply unoriginal. I think the problem with this outfit is it gives springtime joy, but it also says, I am so afraid of taking risks and I'm afraid of commitment, which is not where we're at in 2025. So let's upgrade the look. Let's give her a trench coat. Trust me on this. And we're going to add some tall boots and a structured bag. Now the look is giving rom-com protagonist who has 5 lovers fighting for her, and she has places to be. The key takeaway here is when it comes to your florals, let's retire the denim. Let's give denim a break. She has paid her dues. She's been serving for a very long time. So we're going to give her a retirement package with full benefits. She deserves it. Okay? And we're going to throw in a skincare routine so she can get herself together. And we're going to let her rest. She has done what she needed to do, okay? So let me not see your floral dress with a denim jacket in 2025. This one absolutely makes me laugh when I see it. The blazer and biker shorts era. We really thought we were doing something here. I'm pretty sure that a picture of either Hailey Bieber or Kendall Jenner went viral on Pinterest and they were wearing something like this. And we thought, if it's good enough for the models, it's definitely good enough for us. We thought this outfit conveyed model of duty, but in reality, what it really says is, I'm late to both a meeting and a Pilates class at the same time. It's giving a lot of confusion. And I was thinking about why this outfit had us all in a chokehold. And I think it's because this outfit has main character energy. It's effortless. It made us feel powerful. It made us feel like we were running a startup and it was successful on the side. But now when I look at the outfit, it's mostly saying, I'm tired. Give me a break. Give me a nap. My hot take for 2025, the hill that I'm going to die on is biker shorts should stay in the gym. Let's not disrespect the blazer like this. Let's not do that. Okay, so let's retire the biker shorts and we're going to swap them for some wide leg trousers. We're also going to add a corset belt just to add some cinching to the waist of this oversized blazer. Make sure you also scrunch up the sleeves just to make the oversized look feel a bit more fitted. And we're going to add some silver jewelry to echo the silver hardware on the corset. And I added a silver bag to play off all the silver elements in this look, and I think it just injected some fun back into the outfit. When we look at the outfits now, I feel like we've upgraded from giving CEO of confused dressing to a woman who knows exactly what she brings to the table and she power dresses for a living. And I'm all here for that evolution. I love it. These outfits were here for a good time, not a long time, and that's okay. They remind us of who we were and also of how far we've come. And I feel like style evolves, so let's let it. Maybe in 5 years, we'll look back on these outfits that we redid and think, what the hell were we thinking? And it's okay. Style evolves and grows, and we should grow with it. So I feel like style shouldn't be about throwing everything you have out every couple of years. I challenge you to take some of your old clothes and style them with a new energy and see what comes out of it. I promise you, your closet will surprise you. It has secrets up its sleeves. It's ready to go anytime. You just need to step up to the challenge and go face to face with her. We're now at the end of the video, and if you ever see me pair my blazer with biker shorts again, please call the police. Assume it's a cry for help and call the police, call a therapist, call fashion emergency services. Get me all the help you can get, okay? Because we are not repeating history like that again. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.